Cultivate your own medicine garden, a path to wellness. Welcome to a journey of self-care, natural wellness, and reconnecting with the healing power of nature. Have you ever dreamed of stepping outside and picking fresh herbs that can boost your immunity, calm your stress, or soothe minor ailments? Today, we'll guide you on how to start your own medicine garden, a simple yet transformative way to take control of your wellness. In this video, we'll show you how growing your medicine garden not only nurtures your health, but also helps you find peace in the meditative act of gardening. Whether you're a gardening newbie or seasoned green thumb, this is for everyone. So, let's dive in and grow wellness together. In our modern lifestyles, we tend to rely heavily on store-bought solutions for health challenges. But what if the most effective remedies were at your fingertips, fresh from your garden? Growing your own medicine garden encourages you to turn to nature for healing. It's an empowering way to take charge of your health while being kinder to your body and the planet. Not only does cultivating a medicine garden provide natural remedies, but it also creates a sense of harmony and purpose. Gardening has long been praised as a therapeutic activity. It helps reduce stress, promotes mindfulness, and improves mental clarity. Imagine starting your day by watering plants or harvesting calming chamomile for tea. This small act of tending to living things can make a big difference in your emotional well-being. And let's not forget how eco-friendly it is. By growing your medicine garden, you reduce reliance on plastic packaged products, chemical-based remedies, and transportation-heavy supply chains. It's a small step for you, but a meaningful one for the planet. Now, you might think gardening is complicated or requires a big backyard. Not true. Anyone can grow a medicine garden, no matter how much space or experience you have. To get started, you don't need fancy equipment. Basic gardening tools like a small spade, gloves, pots, and good quality soil will do just fine. Even if you don't have outdoor space, you can grow medicinal plants in containers on your balcony, windowsill, or even a kitchen counter with adequate sunlight. The secret lies in starting small and learning as you grow. Choose a manageable space or just a few pots at first so you don't feel overwhelmed. With a bit of attention and patience, your garden will flourish. One of the most exciting parts of starting your medicine garden is selecting the plants you want to grow. If you're a beginner, this is a great list of easy-to-grow medicinal plants and their incredible health benefits. Chamomile. Known for its calming effects, it's perfect for relaxation and improving sleep. Peppermint. A wonderful herb for soothing digestion and easing headaches. Echinacea. A standout plant for boosting immunity and reducing the severity of colds. Turmeric. A powerful anti-inflammatory herb that supports joint health and overall recovery. These plants are low maintenance and work beautifully to create remedies for common challenges like stress, colds, and minor pains. You don't need to plant a massive variety at the start. Begin with 2 or 3 plants and add more as you grow confident. Now that you've picked your plants, it's time to set up your garden. Whether indoors or outdoors, the first step is preparing healthy, nutrient-rich soil. If you're using pots, make sure they have good drainage to avoid overwatering. Choose a spot where your plants will get plenty of sunlight. Most medicinal herbs thrive in direct light for at least 4 to 6 hours a day. If you're growing indoors, place your pots near a sunny window or consider using grow lights. When arranging your garden, keep in mind that herbs like a bit of breathing room. Avoid crowding your plants, as this can impact their ability to grow freely. Follow planting instructions for each herb to ensure they're spaced appropriately. To keep your plants healthy and flourishing, you need to care for them regularly. But don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Watering. Most medicinal plants prefer slightly moist soil, but overwatering can harm them. Check the soil with your finger. If it feels dry about an inch deep, it's time to water. Pruning. Regularly prune your herbs to encourage fresh growth and prevent them from becoming too woody or overgrown. Pest control. Use natural methods like neem oil or DIY remedies to keep pesky pests away from your plants. Avoid harsh chemicals, as you want your herbs to remain organic and safe. Feeding. Add natural compost or organic fertilizers occasionally to keep the soil nutrient-rich and your plants thriving. Every day, take a moment to inspect your garden. Watch how your plants grow, notice their needs, and adjust your care accordingly. The process of observing and nurturing plants can be deeply rewarding. When your herbs are ready to harvest, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment like no other. Knowing that you've grown your own natural remedies is both empowering and satisfying. Each plant has its own harvesting timeline. For chamomile, pick its daisy-like flowers. Harvest peppermint leaves when they're vibrant and green. Cut echinacea flowers just before they fully bloom. Dig up turmeric roots when the leaves start to yellow. Once harvested, you can prepare these herbs in countless ways. For example, steep chamomile flowers in hot water for calming tea. Peppermint leaves can be used fresh or dried to make soothing infusions. Turmeric roots can be grated for golden lattes, and echinacea flowers can be brewed to make immune-boosting teas. These remedies are not only effective, but also free from the chemicals found in many over-the-counter products. A medicine garden does more than provide natural remedies. It creates an intimate connection with nature and yourself. The simple act of gardening offers time to breathe, reflect, and be present. In today's hectic world, gardening serves as a meditative practice that calms the mind. Watching your plants grow day by day is a reminder of nature's slow, beautiful rhythm, a welcome contrast to our fast-paced lives. Beyond the personal benefits, your garden also makes a difference environmentally. By reducing waste and harnessing the power of organic gardening, you're contributing to a healthier, greener planet. If starting a garden feels daunting, remember that countless others have started small and succeeded. Some have transformed windowsills into vibrant herbal sanctuaries, while others have used small backyards to grow thriving gardens. Your path doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is starting. Learning to care for plants is a process, and each step you take helps you grow alongside your garden. Don't wait for the perfect time or place to start. Begin your journey today. Growing a medicine garden is more than a health choice. It's an act of self-care and empowerment. From planting seeds to brewing your first cup of fresh herbal tea, every moment in this journey is an investment in your well-being. It's about reclaiming control over your health and finding joy in cultivating something meaningful. Take out a pot, a handful of soil, and a seed or plant. Water it, give it light, and with love and patience, watch it thrive. Let this be your calling. Plant wellness, nurture growth, and live naturally. Thank you for watching. I hope this video inspires you to take the first step and create your very own medicine garden. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips and inspiration. Share your journey with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear how your garden grows. Until next time, happy gardening and stay well.